Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's have a look at this 2017 CR-V, stock number 24178A. We're going to start with a full 360 walk around of the CR-V here. You can see there's no major dents or scratches in the bodywork. We have aluminum rims with 18-inch Pirelli tires that have 90% tread life left. Around the other side of the CR-V here, I've just finished installing brand new Honda OEM rear brakes, as well as Honda OEM front brakes. Now I've got the CR-V right up in the air. We can have a look underneath. Have a great view of the exhaust system, the full drive line, rear suspension is all in good shape. Drive shaft U-joints and hanger bearing, good shape, no leaks in the exhaust. Front suspension has also been checked. There's no clunks, no loose components. Under the hood, we have a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine that has just had the oil and filter changed. The engine air filter and cabin air filter have also been changed. And we've just installed a new Honda OEM battery. This CR-V has just passed the provincial safety inspection. It has also passed the 100-point Honda certified pre-owned inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this 2017 CR-V with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop by for a test drive. Have a great day.